Every single night, millions of well-meaning parents are unknowingly sabotaging their child's sleep and brain development. And the worst part? They think they're helping. Does this sound familiar? Bedtime rolls around, and suddenly your calm household turns into a battlefield. There's negotiating, there's bargaining, there are tears, and sometimes those tears are yours. You finally get your child to sleep, but they wake up cranky, unfocused, and struggling through the next day. Here's what nobody told you. It's not your child's fault. It's not even about discipline. It's about 7 specific mistakes that disrupt the biological systems your child needs for deep, restorative sleep. The kind of sleep that builds memory, regulates emotions, and literally grows their brain. Today, I'm going to walk you through each mistake and give you the exact words to say to fix them. By the end of this video, bedtime can become the peaceful, connecting part of your day it was always meant to be. Let's get into it. First, let's understand why this matters so much. Research from Harvard's Center on the Developing Child shows that during deep sleep, a child's brain consolidates everything they learned that day. New neural pathways are strengthened. Emotional experiences are processed. Growth hormone is released. When sleep is disrupted or insufficient, children show decreased attention spans, increased behavioral problems, and slower cognitive development. A study published in the journal Pediatrics found that children who had inconsistent bedtime routines scored lower on measures of school readiness than their peers. This isn't about being strict. It's about working with your child's biology, not against it. Now, here are the 7 mistakes and how to fix them. Mistake number 1. Screen time too close to bed. Blue light from tablets and phones suppresses melatonin, the hormone that signals sleep. But it's more than that. The content itself is stimulating your child's brain right when it needs to wind down. The fix? End all screens at least 1 hour before bed. When your child asks for more screen time, say this: "Screens are done for today, but let's pick out a book together. You can choose any 2 you want." Mistake number 2. Inconsistent bedtimes. Your child's internal clock, their circadian rhythm, thrives on predictability. When bedtime shifts by even 30 minutes on weekends, it creates a kind of jet lag that follows them into the week. The fix? Keep bedtime within a 15-minute window every single night. You can tell your child, "Our bodies have a special clock inside them, and it works best when we go to sleep at the same time. That's why bedtime stays the same." Mistake number 3. A bedroom that's too warm. Research shows optimal sleep happens in cooler environments, around 65 to 70 degrees. A warm room prevents the body temperature drop that naturally occurs during sleep onset. The fix: lower the thermostat and use breathable bedding. If your child complains, say, "Cool air helps your body sleep deeper. Let's make sure you have cozy blankets so you feel just right." Mistake number 4. Using the bedroom for punishment. When you send a child to their room as discipline, you create a negative association with the very space where they need to feel safe and relaxed. The fix? Keep the bedroom sacred for rest. If you need a calm-down space, designate a different area. Reframe the bedroom by saying, "Your room is your cozy place. It's where your body rests and your brain does amazing things while you sleep." Mistake number 5. Heavy snacks or sugary foods before bed. Digestion requires energy, and sugar causes blood sugar spikes that interfere with settling into sleep. Many parents offer a snack to prevent middle-of-the-night hunger, but the wrong snack backfires. The fix: if your child needs a snack, choose something light with protein, like a small handful of nuts or a piece of cheese. Say, "Let's give your tummy something gentle so it can rest too." Now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me, which of these mistakes surprised you the most? Or which one is the hardest to change in your house? I read every comment. Mistake number 6, skipping the wind-down routine. Jumping from activity to bed shocks the nervous system. Children need a buffer zone, a predictable sequence that signals the brain to start producing melatonin. The fix: create a 20 to 30-minute routine. Bath, pajamas, teeth, book, lights out. Every night, same order. Tell your child, "This is how we help your brain know it's almost sleep time. First we do this, then this, then this." Mistake number 7, staying in the room until they fall asleep. This one is hard to hear, but when children depend on your presence to fall asleep, they haven't learned the skill of self-soothing. When they wake naturally between sleep cycles, they need you again. The fix: gradually reduce your presence. Start by sitting near the bed, then move to the doorway over several nights, then outside the room. Say, "I'm going to step out, but I'm right nearby." You know how to fall asleep. Your body knows exactly what to do. Here's what I want you to remember. Good sleep isn't a luxury for your child. It's the foundation everything else is built on. Their mood, their learning, their growth, their ability to regulate big emotions. When you protect their sleep, you're protecting their potential. You're not being too strict. You're being a parent who understands what their child actually needs. If this video helped you see bedtime differently, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I share new videos every week to help you raise confident, capable kids without losing your mind in the process. You're doing better than you think. Now, go make bedtime a little easier tonight.